Okay, good morning everyone. So, Edison Victorino here and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong video na ginawa ko o isa sa mga sagot sa katanungan ng mga nakausap ko, no? Kasi tinatanong nila kung paano ba daw magkaroon ng solid na downlines. So, actually wala na akong ibang maisip na isasagot, no, kundi magkaroon ng good relationship sa inyo sa mga downlines. Okay, and of course, make sure na ang downlines nyo ay kumikita, no? So, relationship and income. And paano ba magkakaroon ng good relationship sa mga downlines nyo? Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay you must spend time with your downlines and to listen with your downlines. So, spending time, it means that don't treat them as a milking cow na kapag may pay-in lang sila, may sign up, doon lang kayo makikipagkita. Okay? So, parang sign up and run na nangyayari, no? So, as much as possible, spend time on training them, especially kapag kapapasok pa lang nila sa business. And importante rin na nagkakaroon ng bonding with them, no? Kasi uh, before it have bago ka magkaroon ng good relationship sa isang tao, it takes time, 'di ba? And of course, not only time, yung quality din ng oras. So andyan yung dapat yayain niyo yung downline niyo mag-dinner, so sabay kayo kumain, mag-lunch or mag-coffee, then you talk about ideas, strategies, okay? Or yung mga future plan nyo para sa business, no? So, napaka-importante to spend time with them. So, pangalawa is to listen to your downlines. Kailangan alam mo yung mga concerns or yung mga kailangan din ng downlines mo. Kaya nga, bilang tao, meron tayong isang bibig at dalawang tenga. And how can you make your downlines earn? So, eto medyo mahirap mangako na si downline ay kikita agad, no? So, but what you can do is to go back to the basic. Okay? And lagi niyong tatandaan na si downline nyo is the only variable para maging successful, no? So, it's not you as an upline dahil ang trabaho mo as an upline is to lead them to guide your downlines, no? So, as a downline, ikaw lang ang pinaka-variable sa success mo. Kaya kung hindi mo gagawin ng maayos ang business, kung hindi ka seryoso, therefore hindi rin seryoso ang income mo. Kaya kung seryoso kang gawin ang business, seryoso kang mabago ang buhay mo, seryosong mangyayari din, seryosong matutupad din ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And importante na you go back to basic. Ano ba yung pinaka-basic natin? To sell and sponsor. You cannot skip this, okay? So, hindi pwede na iisipin mo, ay, online marketing yan. Gawa muna ako ng website. Okay, mag-layout muna ako ng mga picture, then post sa Facebook. No? You cannot just do that, no? Go back to basic, to sell and sponsor. Make a prospect list, okay? Because you already have your list, your warm market. Okay, so you can start with them. I'm not saying that they are the only market, but start with them, no? Because sila yung current resources mo ngayon, no? So later on, you'll increase that as you go on to the business, no? So maraming strategy how to increase your list. And lagi mong tatandaan that the money is in the list. Kung walang list, walang income, okay? So importante rin na tignan nyo rin reviewin yung compensation plan ng company nyo, no? Compensation plan should be generous. When I say compensation plan, ito yung, in general terms, sa ibang networker, ito yung marketing plan. Kasi may mga ibang compensation plan na hindi siya generous sa mga distributor. It's more on pakabig sa company na kailangan as a distributor, ganito muna yung maipasok mo. Okay, kailangan may quota ka muna para lang kumita, no? Kaya make sure that the compensation plan is generous para sa unang pasok pa lang ng downlines mo, mararamdaman niya agad na may income siya. Whether 2,000 lang yan, 3,000, 5,000, as long na may papasok na income, it is a good motivation. And of course, napaka-importante na ang company mo is nag-o-offer ng unique, highly consumable and affordable product. Kasi maraming high quality, highly consumable products pero hindi affordable. Kaya ang nangyayari, yung effort ng downline mo na mag-retail, nawawala, no? And napaka-importante din ng retail. Sabi ko nga, the basic is to sell and sponsor. So, unang-una yung selling because ang pinaka-bloodline ng business is nasa selling, nasa product movement. Kaya make sure na sa unang pasok niya pa lang, pag retail niya, makakatanggap siya ng immediate income at madaling i-retail yung product. And ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, attend trainings, workshop, BOMs, and team meetings, no? As a downline, responsibility mo yan na umattend ng training, especially kapag baguhan ka pa lang, no? Huwag kang gumawa ng mga excuses na, apps, hindi ako attend ng training kasi may BOM ako. Kung may BOM ka, iset aside mo muna yan. Attend training, you need to increase your knowledge, no? Sa business na ito, ang puhunan is knowledge, okay? Kung wala kang alam, okay, kung wala kang alam kung ano yung business na, don't expect nakikita ka sa business na to. Kung ang doktor nga, kung ikaw nga, okay, kung ikaw nga nag-enroll ng college dahil expected mo that after college, magkakaroon ka ng magandang trabaho at magandang income, how much more pa sa industry na to, okay? So, I encourage you to attend trainings, workshops, okay, BOM, kahit alam nyo na yan, no? Attend ka pa rin kasi baka may matutunan ka sa sasabihin ng speakers, and of course, team meetings, napaka-importante din yan. And kung baguhan ka pa lang din, okay, to increase your list, okay, to increase your customer base, you must also leverage on the internet. Okay, ngayon, kung wala ka pang alam or nalilito ka, paano ba talaga mag-market sa Facebook, paano ba talaga yung online marketing, kasi ang alam ko lang, pa-post lang sa sarili kong profile, then i-message ko lahat ng kakilala ko, i-add ko ng friends. Meron tayong strategy para dyan. Kaya ang good news ko sa'yo, gumawa ako ng webinar. Okay, noong October 19, ini-record ko ito, no? Ang topic niya is how to double your income in network marketing kahit konti pa lang ang downlines mo. Okay, sa webinar na ito, ituturo ko yung strategy kung paano magagamit ang Facebook, okay, especially Facebook fan page and Facebook advertising para ma-double at ma-increase ang sales mo. Okay, maganda ang webinar na to sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa industriya, yung mga baguhan din sa network marketing. Ngayon, kung matagal ka na, may experience ka na, wala kang idea about online marketing, you are welcome to watch this webinar. You are welcome to access this webinar. Ngayon, para ma-access mo yung webinar na to, just click the link above if you are watching this on Facebook, and click the link below if you are watching this on my blog post, okay? Ngayon, pag click mo ng link, the website will ask for your email, okay, email name and mobile number. So just fill up the form and you'll get immediate access sa video sa recorded webinar na ginawa ko. Alright? So I encourage you to share your thoughts by commenting below. Ano yung natutunan nyo sa video na ito? Kung may mga question kayo, please comment below. Alright? So, ayan. So, this is all for this video for today. And thank you and God bless you all.